Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to change Spotify password on your phone and PC. First, click the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find support option. Tap can't reset password. Scroll down and find reset your password. Then tap on it. Next step is type your email address. Tap send. Next, open your Gmail app. Tap the email that was sent by Spotify. You will have a link to reset your password. Tap on it. And now, you can type in your new password for Spotify. Once you're done, click send. Then that's it. That's how you change Spotify password on your phone. Next is changing your password in your PC. First, open your Spotify in your Google and search spotify.com. Log in. Once you're done, go to your profile and click the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap account. At the left side, click change password. And now you can change your password. Then that's it. That's how you change your Spotify password in your phone or PC. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.